good day. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how you can actually convert your PDF file to JPEG or image file, absolutely free. How's that sound to you? Let's begin. In my desktop I have made a sample PDF. If I open it, you will see 3 pages with different pages. This process will have to create separate JPEG file for each pages. To do this, you need to open your browser, and search for PDF Combiner. In the results we are going to find combinepdf.com. Click that up and we will be directed to this page. Look for the tab that says PDF to JPEG. Click that up and you will land on this page. You can convert file with up to 50 megabytes. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the drop your files here. Drag your file and let it go like this and you can see that the file is now being converted. After that it will create a zip file with all 3 of the image we have in our PDF. You will see an option to download all. Click that up and wait till it's downloaded. That's how you do the conversion. Now let's see how it turned out. Let's click this arrow up to show options and click open in folder. You will see a zip folder, right click on it and select extract here. The content of the zip file can now be opened. Let's open the folder and we can see 3 files. These are all the 3 pages of the PDF converted into an individual image file. I hope I managed to help you, and if you like this tutorial please click the like and subscribe button. Thanks and see you in the next video.